don't know what we'll be doing today, you can speak with us and you know how to prepare fried rice with salad. You can learn from us too.
Yeah, of course, like yeah, learn from us. Okay, guys. It's very early this morning, and we'll be going to Boulevard to do something very great for our mom. First, I should say Merry Christmas, right?
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Today we'll be going out to cook for our grandmom. They're having some people coming over, and we just want to vlog this important moment. So, guys, stay tuned. Do you have something to say?
I just want to say Merry Christmas to everyone, our friends, loved ones. Merry Christmas. Stay safe, enjoy the day, don't miss beef.
And what we're gonna cook? What we're gonna cook?
Today we'll be doing something different today. We're gonna be facing like fried rice
Wow.
with salad today.
Yeah.
They just our fingers.
We're gonna spice something up. We're gonna spice it up. So stay tuned, guys.
Sure.
Oh, guys, like we are kind of making our way. As you can see, we got out of the bike, and my brother got doing. Yeah. So like, I don't want you to miss this moment, because it's once in a million. Yeah. So the team on the body, the vlog. I was vlogging today, man. Okay, guys, like, stay tuned. Like, I'm on Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Oh, guys, like we have just like make our way at ST Market. Yeah. People are already selling, as you can see.
People are already outside selling.
Yeah.
Just imagine why you get to say this market people sleep here on
Yeah.
another day.
Yeah, I heard that. I heard that too.
Wow.
And we get safe for ourselves because market already down and things is moving like normal. So that's it. So, bro, why you don't want to get?
Just few items because yesterday we purchased majority of the food stuff. So then we will just be getting few more items from the market.
Okay.
Adding up.
Okay. Wow, bro, I want to gossip about me pass. The market is very dark, so you guys have to bail us a little. Yeah, you guys have to bail us a little. Like, don't make out without pass through. No pass through. Please say hi on my vlog, please. Please say hi for me.
Hi,
Say I love you guys.
I love you.
Okay, let me see how we can get from here. Alright, guys, I'm make our way out. We just want to get down our stuff, so we're heading out now.
As you can see now, we are stepping out of the market. Out of the market.
Out of the market, guys.
We just excuse him buy the remaining items that we need to go out of the one we got
Merry
yesterday. So we are making our way home right now on the boulevard. We're going to start our preparation.
We are actually making our way on the boulevard, We just forgetting everything we needed to have. Like, we purchased some meat, we got some oil and other things. So stick around as we go and prepare that fried rice, So, yeah, making our way now on the boulevard. We get our preparation started. Yeah, actually, I can't wait for us to start preparing. Actually, it's gonna be fun, Yeah. Well, guys, like we have already started our process. But as for the first, I don't want to get my hand first, so my brother acting.
Yes, we just preparing the things. You can see there's the drumstick. We're frying chicken today. And here we have sausage pack.
We ain't fighting people, please. Just for information, we ain't fighting nobody.
We're not doing anything for you to come. Think I said we're not dropping any location.
If I Godwin, after this, the beginning, so watch out 2025. Godwin.
They don't get nothing to say much.
Yeah. He's a very shy guy. But actually, guys, like we just did when you fighting no one. So please, let y'all feel it. We won't get fired for this season. So we're in the low tech corner, like we're preparing our stuff here. This is space that was given to us for all to carry on the magic. So I guess we're gonna be in a sequential corner for a while. Yeah, so our process is already ongoing. For we were already seasoning every stuff we desire or we need to season. And you guys just watch up. As you can see, getting very heated in here. We are making the magic. The magic's already going down. Okay, right now as you can see. Nana, I beg you, I don't get your question. Yeah, I beg you, I don't get your question. Okay, the magic is going down as you can see, guys. We are turning everything into something else, like for real. Yeah, so like family, like show you guys, like show your brethren some love by like subscribing to our channel and also like don't forget to check out God. Have you changed it into Godwin, brother? Still, man. So. Okay, if you check in next year, don't forget to check Godwin. But if you want to check this year, yeah, check out man and son, like for real. Yeah, this guy have an anointing. You have to partake of it. Yeah. Well, at this junction we was almost done. The only work we had now was to dish out every food. It was like a headache, pain coming, pain going. And mommy prayed for every food before anyone could touch their food, and then we pick ours to go and eat. And trust me, it tasted so delicious. I'm sorry we never share with you guys, but we promise you next one you're gonna have a taste.